Here's an easy recipe to prepare mussels cooked in wine and broth. Before you cook the mussels, you really need to rinse them well in the sink and remove any debris. Then go ahead and select a pot and pick through the mussels to make sure every one that you select is closed. Now add 1 cup of broth and another cup of white wine, or even red wine works too. You know what? Beer's an alternative too, so go ahead and try that as well. Then add 1 heaping tablespoon of garlic. I like to use minced roast garlic, which is available in most supermarkets. Then go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Place a lid on top and put the pot over high heat. When the mussels open, it's finished. That usually takes about 2 minutes. To serve, place it in a bowl and spoon some broth over the delicious mussels. And then, of course, serve with lots of napkins and crusty bread.